Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CAD intraday under pressure analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 953BA1 7/29/2020 7:31:17 AM. USD CHF key resistance at 0.9190. Stay on top of the markets with Swissquote News AMP analysis. Pivot invalidation 0.9190. Our preference short positions below 0.9190 with targets at 0.9160 AMP 0.9150 in extension. Alternative scenario above 0.9190. Look for further upside with 0.9210 AMP 0.9230 as targets. Comment: as long as the resistance at 0.9190 is not surpassed, the risk of the break below 0.9160 remains high. USD CAD under pressure. Pivot invalidation 1.3385. Our preference short positions below 1.3385 with targets at 1.3355 AMP 1.3340 in extension. Alternative scenario above 1.3385. Look for further upside with 1.3405 AMP 1.3430 as targets. Comment: the upward potential is likely to be limited by the resistance at 1.3385. AUD/USD bullish bias above 0.7145. Pivot invalidation 0.7145. Our preference long positions above 0.7145 with targets at 0.7180 AMP 0.7195 in extension. Alternative scenario below 0.7145. Look for further downside with 0.7125 AMP 0.7110 as targets. Comment: a support base at 0.7145 has formed and has allowed for a temporary stabilization. USD try the upside prevails. Pivot invalidation 6.9210. Our preference long positions above 6.9210 with targets at 6.9540 AMP 6.9780 in extension. Alternative scenario below 6.9210. Look for further downside with 6.9030 AMP 6.8850 as targets. Comment: a support base at 6.9210 has formed and has allowed for a temporary stabilization. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.